Hi again. So here's the quiz that I gave everybody last time. I tested all my students without hands and a lot of hands. They weren't able to get to the answer. So what I did though, because I don't want to use the quadratic formula, I changed this number right here to, I'm just gonna do that and just to make it easier for you guys. Okay, so we changed that to minus 19 instead of minus 20. Now, everybody's looking at this and saying, we have x squared minus x minus 19 to the power of 4x squared minus 9 equals 1. And he expected me to solve this. That's like a quadratic to the power of another quadratic. What do? Do we log both sides? That's not gonna do us any good. So what do? Okay, here we go. Listen up first. Now, any number to the power of 0 equals 1. We all agree. So if we make this 0, then anything to the power of 0, doesn't matter what it is here, it would equal 1. So that's your first answer. 4x squared minus 9 must equal 0, because if it's 0, then anything to the power of 0 would give me 1. And then you factor this into 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3 equals 0. And from here, you're going to get x is 3 over 2, and this is negative 3 over 2. So plus or minus 3 over 2, that's one of the solutions. So the next thing we know, 1 to the power of any number, it doesn't matter, positive, negative, radical, 1 to the power of anything is always 1. So therefore, x squared minus x minus 19 must also equal 1, because if it's 1, if this is 1, then 1 to the power of anything is 1. And then you solve for the x value by going x squared minus x minus 20. You're moving the 1 to the other side, equals 0. And therefore, x minus 5, x plus 4 equals 0. And therefore, x equals 5 and negative 4. And these two numbers, if you plug them into this equation right here, 5 will give me 25 minus 5, which is 20, 20 minus 19, which is 1. And here it doesn't matter what you get, 1 to the power of anything is 1. And also if you put a negative 4, that will give you 16 plus 4, because that minus and negative. 20 minus 19 is 1, and 1 to the power of anything is 1. So these are the two, oops. So this here is one of the solutions, and this is the second part of finding the solution. So either you make the exponent 0, because anything to the power of 0 is 1, or you make this here 1, because 1 to the power of anything is going to be 1. So if you make that inside the brackets 1, then you're good as well. So this is it. It's a fun question, I think, once you know what you're doing. But, you know, I tested a lot of students from grade 10 all the way to grade 12. And all of them stared at this for a long time, because they figured, like, how is this going to happen? You know, you always have to go back to basics. You know, anything to the power of 0 equals 1. 1 to the power of anything, it doesn't matter, would equal 1. So, and that's it. Okay. Thanks for watching again. I hope you like this. Go ahead and hit that like button. Share with others so they could benefit, and subscribe if you like. Till next time. Thanks again. Bye-bye.